the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence. Thank you. And nobody can hang with my stuff. Just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first, you're last. You know what I'm talking about?
Hello, I'm Jason. What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a great day. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. We're about to head up to the Dodge dealership to pick up some gear oil and some limited slip additive to flush the differential out because it was just replaced. It's been about 1,000 miles. So we're gonna do the first fluid change on that, and then we're gonna do an alignment on the car. And the other day when I was looking under the hood, I found something a little strange. All these little star bit bolts are all torqued down. Everything's fine except for in the very back. This one is missing and I don't know why. So let's get that bolt replaced, get the alignment done, flush out the differential. We should be good to go kill some tires. Just pulled up at the dealership here. About to run into parts, grab this fluid, and I'll be right back. So just came back from parts. I had to get 2 quarts of this gear oil because it takes 1.16 quarts and this only has 1.05. So I had to buy a whole extra quart to get that 0.1 quart. And these are $58.49 a quart. For 1 quart, $58.49. Ridiculous. And then I got this limited slip additive. You always want both tires to spin. You definitely don't want that one wheel peel. No sir. So now let's go to the hardware store and try to find one of those missing supercharger bolts. Just pulled up at Ace. About to go find one of these screws real quick and then head over to City Alignment. I'll be right back. Found the bolt I need. Got 2 of them just in case. And I had to go to Ace Hardware because the dealership doesn't sell the Supercharger hardware kit unless you buy the Supercharger from them. So you got to spend like $12,000 to be able to get 1 screw if you want 1 screw, which doesn't make sense at all. But found the screw. Let's head over to City Alignment right now and get to working on the car. This is the size of the screws in case anyone ever loses one, because you can't go buy one from the dealership if you lose one. You got to go to Ace Hardware or Home Depot or something to get a random little screw. My boy Louis GT350. Comment down below if you guys want to see me do some donuts in it and review this car. I haven't had a Ford on the channel yet, but yeah, let me know if you guys would like to see a video on this car. Going up. Okay, it's still intact. Nice. Pretty dark already, huh?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
A little bit of metal. Yeah. There's a good amount of metal.
What you got there, huh? Little merch.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. We got the diff all done. Fluid change, got the 75, 85 in there. Do an alignment and then replace that 1 supercharger bolt. Yeah, and then burnout time, I gotta test the differential. So yeah. Make sure it works.
Wait, I remember now. He never had any like breaking miles or anything.
He's
just
I drove right out.
The first day he was doing
Did a
burnout,
burnout right there. Not even. Well, you test drove it.
Warranty does not hear that. You gotta watch the scooter do a burnout. That should start smoking and everything.
For real? Okay. Oh God, you could really see it. We out here killing tires, you feel me? So how we looking, Louis?
Not that bad, actually.
Not that bad?
Not that bad.
That's what I like to hear.
We're gonna see it once it's all the way up. It's not that bad.
Not gonna lie, it felt a little sloppy in this corner. I don't know why.
Let's see. The alignment isn't horrible. Off by a little bit in terms of toe. Camera we really don't care about because there's really no adjustment on it. But
Yeah.
toe still within spec for this one.
Nice,
Not low.
nice. Got the alignment all taken care of. A lot better than what it was. Now, just have to put that missing bolt in and then retorque it. And the only reason why the screw would be missing is if the dealership didn't torque the rear one all the way in the back when they replaced the Supercharger at 9,600 miles before I bought the car. The only way one of those could have came out, because that's a weird occurrence. That back one finally in there. Now we're gonna torque the Supercharger back down to the specifications. It's got a weird like cross torque method, so we're gonna do that right now. Wow, they're pretty loose.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we just got the Supercharger re-torqued down. A lot of the screws were almost like a quarter turn loose, so probably like a foot-pounds or two loose on each screw, which is not good. So we got that taken care of. Got the alignment done, the differential fluid flushed, and yeah, it's all good. Now we just have to take it out and see if it'll do a burnout, see if both wheels will spin. All right, y'all. Thank you guys.
All right, man.
Enjoy them shirts. I'm gonna test the differential out right here real quick. Track mode. Traction off. Pedal commander on. Let's do Sport Plus on the pedal commander. Both wheels spin. It works. That's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you go down below, get yourself some Hello clothing. Also get yourself a pedal commander if you've been thinking about it. It dramatically changes your car. Trust me, I'm not lying. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, hit the bell, repost, thumbs up, all that stuff. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.